In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink to text in your Paperform editor. If you want to make part of your text clickable inside Paperform, the process is very quick and straightforward. This is especially useful when you want to send someone to another web page, a resource, a booking page, or any other online destination without showing a long raw URL directly in your form. To begin, go to the text field inside your Paperform editor and find the exact words you want to turn into a link. Once you found that text, highlight only the specific portion you want people to click on. It's a good idea to choose text that clearly tells the reader where the link will take them, so the form stays easy to understand and looks more polished. As soon as the text is highlighted, an inline formatting toolbar should appear near your selection. In that small toolbar, click the link icon, which looks like a chain link. This tells Paperform that you want to attach a URL to the text you selected. After clicking the link icon, you'll see an input field box where you can enter the destination URL. Paste your link directly into that field. Make sure the URL is correct before moving on, because this is the address your visitors will be taken to when they click the link text. If needed, take a second to double check for missing characters or extra spaces, since even a small typo can break the link. Once the URL is in place, press enter to lock in the hyperlink. That confirms the link and applies it to the highlighted text. At that point, the selected words should now function as a clickable hyperlink inside your Paperform editor. If you want to be safe, it's always worth quickly reviewing the text after applying the link just to make sure the formatting looks right and the correct words were linked. Clean, readable link text creates a better experience for anyone filling out your form and helps guide them exactly where they need to go. And that's all it takes. Highlight the text, click the link icon, paste in the destination URL, and press enter. It's a simple feature, but it can make your Paperform content much more useful, organized, and user-friendly.